Buenos dias.
We are in Antigua today. I'm so excited.
We have a jam-packed day today with Derek, the Cycling Tours. I'm pumped. How are you feeling?
I'm good. I think I ate enough carbs to sustain myself for this 12-mile cycling tour. So it looks like a beautiful day. The whole island that we could see already is just absolutely beautiful, and we cannot wait to explore it with you.
So if you're ever curious how they get water in the ocean, they usually get two guys from Disney cruise ship and they fill up the ocean with a small hose. It does take a little bit of time, a little bit of effort, but a lot of hard work and dedication that they'll be able to fill the entire Caribbean Sea. And those are fun facts with Griff.
Alright, so we just got off the ship. It kind of started raining for a second.
Little bit.
But, I mean, there aren't that many clouds, so hopefully they'll just blow over and disappear because I don't want to cycle in the rain today. But the fun part is, now we're going to have to try to find Derek. So...
Derek!
Yeah, I don't think that's how it's going to work. We're going to have to go through, I think, the center of the town, he said. Keep straight. We're going to meet at some bank. We are about 10 minutes early.
And then we're going to rob that bank.
No!
Oh.
No, so we're about 10 minutes early, which is very unusual for us. So we're just going to take a stroll. Hopefully we can find this quickly, and then yeah, maybe we'll just look around and go shopping. We found our friends.
I charged my drone for you.
Yes! You have one?
Yeah.
Which one?
Spa.
Yeah, make it work. There we go. So
You have all your
Derek
stuff?
has saved the day. Yeah, I have my memory stick, I have a memory card.
Paradise Crew coming in clutch.
Paradise Crew coming.
Oh, there's another one. Hi! Aren't you an adorable ball of fur? So sweet.
Lulu. Why do you have the cutest name ever?
Why do you have the cutest?
Lulu.
All right, we are at the Sutherland household. We are about to get our bikes. We are playing with the dog. We are loving it. Colin's getting some B-roll. And I think we're pretty much ready to go. I have the GoPro attached to me. Colin did a test flight with Derek's drone, so we will see how that goes. But we have a very fun, adventurous day planned, and we're ready to get started. All right, we have our bikes, we have our helmets. I'm gonna put this camera away and we're gonna get started. Are you excited?
I am excited. I am pumped.
Are you excited?
Oh, definitely.
Are you excited?
Oh, extremely excited. Cannot wait to get this show on the road.
Yes, me either. Let's go. The beautiful blue water. I mean, it doesn't get more paradise than this, right? Let me fill this water. It's hot. It's hot today. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is nice.
Baby, all I'm gonna say to
You're
you.
gonna learn how to fly now.
No. You remember I was afraid to take it over the sea?
Yeah.
And I'm looking at the footage that he's got, and I'm like, man, no, this stuff.
Let's ride.
Let's ride!
So right now we are exploring Fort James. It is beautiful up here. Look at this view. There's a little catamaran out there. There's a bunch of cannons. Yes, so originally, apparently Antigua was owned by the Spanish. And then the reason this fort is here is so whenever the French tried to invade it, they'd fire the cannons into the harbor to try to destroy the French because they were trying to steal their sugar, which is why I said sugar is evil.
Sugar is.
Do not eat the sugar. Sugar is bad. No sugar. Sugar and cotton. So that's what this is for. Obviously, it is a little run down. No worries there.
It's seen better days.
There's also graffiti and a little bit of trash. Apparently people come up here and have parties, which, I mean, I don't blame them. It's fun, but clean up your trash if you come to party. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. But no, we are really enjoying our tour. This is our second stop on our bike tour. It is almost 11:30 already. I would imagine we still have a fun full day ahead of us. Cullen's already flown the drone. I'm sure that you've seen that already, and we're just gonna keep going so we can visit more things. Okay, so we just got back to the house after a fun morning of cycling. I totally just crushed Cullen up this hill. It was super fun.
You didn't crush me.
Yes, I did. And now we're going to take a little water break before we explore the rest of the island. Oh, what is that?
The beautiful jelly coconut of Antigua and Barbuda.
It looks beautiful.
And Alyssa and Cullen are going to be having one right now.
Uh-oh.
Yes!
You want to open it?
Yeah, how do I do that? Machete. Please tell me machete.
Yep.
Oh my.
This is the episode where I lose a finger.
Hopefully not.
So what I'll do, I'll show you the first couple of strikes, and then I'll let you finish it off.
Whoa.
Go on, Lulu. Not Lulu.
Lulu, come here. Come say hi to me.
Go on, Lulu.
Lulu.
Come here.
It's like coconuts.
They love coconuts.
You're a sweet girl. Oh yeah.
Young. This one's a bit young.
Guys, this is so good. Super refreshing in the hot Antigua sun. I asked if we could plant a tree back where we live because I need these in my life on a daily basis. We do not need to go to the emergency room.
Not again, at least.
Oh, you want to eat?
We didn't get insurance.
Am I close?
Yep, right there is
Right
where
there?
it is, yeah.
Yeah,
That's it, that's it.
Just leave it.
Oh,
Yeah,
Cool.
There we go.
on the other side or
Yeah,
same,
the other
spot, same
side.
spot?
Same spot because it's leaking out now. That's
Oh,
it. Right.
hello.
Stand it up, stand it up, stand it up. Because it's running out. And now it's a case of now trying to peel it back.
Want to move the knife or the
No.
machete?
That's fine. There you go.
Cool.
There you go.
There you go.
Hoo-hoo-hoo.
Watch your t-shirt because it does stay.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Cheers, Paradise Crew.
Cheers.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
Refreshing.
and that's about what, 5 hours old? Straight off the tree.
Get the can still.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see.
Okay, so we have just traveled by People Mover up to Betty Hope Mill, Betty's Hope Mill. This is where the sugarcane plantation is. There's also a museum that they just closed, which is okay. But this is really cool to see. The view is beautiful. Lots of greenery and mountains. So I found my hat, which is great because my hair looks pretty bad, and it's going to keep the sun off my face because I also noticed that my nose is super red. But we've made it to Devil's Bridge. Apparently, the slaves that worked up in Betty's Hope Mill would escape down here and unfortunately jump off of the bridge because they wanted to send their souls back to Africa. Very interesting, very heartbreaking. I hate hearing that, but this is definitely a very interesting place. Very beautiful. It's a little windy. Cullen wants to, of course, fly the drone. Ooh. I'm going to show you what this looks like because it's really cool, and that way you can stop listening to me talk and just ramble on forever because that's usually what I do. But look how gorgeous this place is. Not expecting that. Got more stacked rocks over here. We find them in every island of the Caribbean that we explore, so that's really fun. I like seeing them. How's it going, Chief?
Pretty good.
Good?
Yeah. Time to bring it up.
Alright, good luck.
Thanks.
It's a little windy. So Cullen is right now flying the drone. Like I said, it's a little windy. I'm sure you can tell that it is windy by the wind muff catching all of the wind. I only get nervous because this is not his drone. This is Derek's drone. So hopefully everything will be fine and he will fly back here safely. But this place really reminds me of Curacao. If you haven't watched those videos, I'll link them up here. But whenever we were flying over the mouths, the boca tables of Curacao, there are like the blowholes and the water things, and it's kind of what this reminds me of, all of the terrain. It's very pretty. It's a beautiful day, I'm sure that you can tell.
Go through that gap right there.
Oh, bring your right
That's
out.
the quickest way to get back to the ship.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright, well, let's go then. Thank you guys for a great day.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you so
Pleasure.
much. Oh man.
There you go.
It was nice to officially meet you. We will see you online.
Yeah.
On the line.
On the line. And hopefully we'll be back soon.
Excellent.
Well, that was a very successful day.
Yes.
Did you have a good time?
Oh, it's such a good time, guys.
I had a great time. I am exhausted.
Yes.
I think we earned some ice cream.
Some Dole Whip.
So we will go see if the Dole Whip thing is open. If it's not, I will settle for soft serve.
Yeah, that's cool.
Or maybe even a Mickey bar.
I'll probably do a Mickey bar at that point.
Yeah, but I'm definitely ready for some.
That's a good
Some
workout.
ice cream.
The island of Antigua is absolutely gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Thank you, Derek. thank you, Janice, Cycling Tours, for showing us around your island.
Yes,
So-
we had a lovely day. It was awesome meeting you guys in person. And if you are ever in Antigua and you want something to do, go check them out.
Yeah, we'll drop a link below.
And above.
Yeah.
Great, so we're going to walk back on the ship, go through security, and we'll let you know what kind of ice cream we got.